What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another case review. This time we're going to be looking at the ProCase Smartcase for the iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's check it out. This case is the actual updated version of that first one. Now, when the first version came out, it was okay. It was something that everybody was trying to just put out because the iPad Pro, the 11-inch, didn't really have many cases out. When it first came out, it had a total of probably about 5 cases available, and these 5 cases were by ProCase. There was a pouch that was made for it. Apple had its keyboard case and its slim folios, and there were maybe like a OtterBox case or 2 floating around, so maybe a total of 6 cases, but no more than 10 that were out for this device. I got my hands on some of those first, and I was able to bring some reviews, and this one is, just like I said, an updated version. Now, the first one that they came out with had little to no magnetic grip on the front. This one is awesome. Magnetic grip is there. You're not having any issues. It's not flopping over. The other one I had would flop open. Down bottom, everything still matches up, looks good. Up top, everything also is well. And then on the back, camera is in that nice recess, sits down in there. It does stick out. Oh, camera sticks out just a little bit. So your camera's not going to be all the way protected on there. It does stick out just a little bit. This is one of the slimmest shell type cases that I've seen in a while that has the magnetic grip. You get your ProCase branding right there on the front, and you get this nice translucent Smoky back here. Your buttons are out and open, and up top out and open as well, so you don't have to worry about pushing buttons through a case. Now let's talk about the actual sleep wake. You got that right there on deck. One of the biggest features, if you're new here, welcome. That's one of the biggest features. Anybody that can tell you, biggest feature is ability to charge my pencil and the auto sleep wake, just like that. Once we get that going, we pretty much got a standard on what the case is going to be like. Case stands up in that angle right there. Now, the other ProCase, the first version that came out, stand was a little wobbly. Was not as sturdy as this one. And boom, there we go. So this has been a review of this case. This is the ProCase Slim Folio. As I said, you get a translucent back. It's a nice hard back. It's not going to bend. It's not going to break. You get the 2 orientations. You get auto sleep wake. You get pencil charging on the outside. Pencil is not protected on the outside, but you do get charging. You get a magnetic front. Your phone is not going to be flapping open in the wind, and everything else checks out as well. So I'll be sure to leave a link below to this so you can check it out for yourself. You can pick this up on Amazon for a reasonable price. These cases, the last few cases I've done have been like under 15 bucks. So go check them out. I'll leave that link. Until next time, hopefully this is able to help someone out. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.